Right, let's see if we can do this. Oh, I'm in the wrong one already. Oh. Right, we're going in there. We need to position ourselves. Positioning is everything in an HGV. If you don't get the back wheels in the right place, you ain't going in. It's as simple as that. Right. Oops. Round. Right. Okay, so we're going in A. Probably the most difficult one to get into, but here we go. I'm probably going to cut this right up now. We're going in there. So our wheels have got to be level with that yellow line in that mirror. Here we go. A bit tight. There's the back wheels. Just got to wait for him now. We're not going to get that because of the angles, but we've now got to keep that wheel, get that back wheel, that back axle, inside that yellow line. You see the yellow line? Almost got it. That's how you do it. Get it as straight as you possibly can, and then bugger it right up. Oh, nearly there, hang on. Okay, can you see that? There you go, there's that side. And then there's that side. And all you do is just go straight back, and the most you want to do is 1/4 of a turn. That's it, the most you do. I've got a bit of a wonky trailer, so mine has a little bit of a drift. Go. Yellow line, there's the yellow line, and that's where you stop. There you go. See that? It is a bit lopsided, granted, but I'm trying to do it one-handed. Go. It's really not that difficult once you know how to do it. Thanks for watching, take care.